Hi guys, Dad here with another episode of Dad Shows Rooms. Today, it's a very, very special episode because I'm not in a room, I'm in an airplane. Right now, we're flying from Atlanta, Georgia to Nicaragua in Central America. So, here we are, you can see the airplane. It's late at night, it's like 9:15. So I'm sitting here, here's my man Key right here. He lives in North Carolina too, he's in divinity school. So I can watch movies here, like all the movies I want to watch, I can just watch them for free. Oh, what do you think? Ooh, I can watch that one, watch that one. I can watch all these movies on the airplane. Let's see. This is Carly.
Hi.
She's from Canada.
I'm talking you. Who?
These are, well, anybody. So I'm making this video,
okay.
And I'll put it on YouTube so my kids can watch.
Why not? Okay.
Yeah, why not, right?
Why not?
So, Carly, right?
Yes.
Right. So she's from Canada, from Quebec City.
Quebec.
From Quebec
City.
That's right. And she's here on a field trip. So she's taking a school field trip from Canada to Nicaragua. Think how cool that is as a school field trip and how boring your school field trips are. Okay. So the rest of my group is sitting right up there. Let's see, I've got a book here to read. They gave us some snacks. So we're flying Delta, and it's only going to take us like 4 hours to get to Nicaragua, but oh my gosh, we were in the airport all day long because our plane was broken, and so we had to wait for a new plane, and we had to keep walking around to a different gate. Anyway, so I'm glad we're finally here. They gave us cookies, they gave us sandwiches, lots of drinks, so I'm having a really good time. I've got to decide which movie I want to watch, so I wish you guys were here with me. It's a really fun airplane flight. Maybe we'll take a flight together sometime. But until then, I'll stay here. I'll read my book. I'll hang out with Key. I think the ocean's out there somewhere. I don't know. Do you think we're in like the Gulf of Mexico or something like that?
Yeah, let's check.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So we're going to check our map and see where we are in our flight. So right now, there we are. So we passed Cuba. We passed Cuba almost, and we're in the Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah.
Sweet. So I think we've just got like an hour and maybe 15 minutes, hour and a half maybe, until we get to Nicaragua. So when we get there, I'll let you know. I'll make a video and I'll post it. Wish you guys were here. I love you very much. I miss you. I'll see you later. All right. Have a good night. Take it easy. Goodbye from the plane. All right. Let's turn off. Hey, turn off the light. All right. Let's go to sleep.